Good morning, everybody. I am out at Bull Creek in Austin, Texas. Gonna do some adventuring today. Gonna go check out some spots that I've never been before and a couple that are familiar, and hoping to get some good footage today to bring y'all. Let's get started. All right, y'all, that concludes another Bull Creek adventure. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm looking forward to heading that way soon and further up that way and bringing that all to y'all really soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and hit the like button and the bell so you know when we post new content. And y'all have the best. Take care.